Hi, my name is Chris, and if you ask me what I'm burning for, metal 3D printing and bikes. As an application engineer for metal 3D printing at TruPrint and competitive mountain bike rider, my vision is to combine both worlds. So I took all my knowledge and designed different bike applications having one big goal. I want to push the bike parts to the next level. One of my first applications was a brake caliper with an integrated optimized cooling geometry. By using innovative infill structures, I was able to increase the cooling rate by 23% compared to conventional calipers. This diagram shows the results of our tests recorded on the trails close to the TruPrint headquarters. Together with my colleague Nico, we brought high-performance 3D printed bike parts to life. We integrated functions, reduced the part weight, and used aerospace titanium for bike parts we were only dreaming of. Using our TruPrint 3000 metal 3D printer, we can reach competitive costs with maximum design freedom. We are sure there are a lot more applications to be reformed. Now, we want the bike industry to think additive. Push your bike parts to the next level with TruPrint additive technologies.